Hi, I'm Kyle. I work for the May Oil Tank Company out here on Long Island. I'm a certified Roth oil tank installer, and today I'm going to be installing a Roth tank inside a basement. So right now we're unloading the 275-gallon Roth oil tank from our truck, placing it onto a hand truck, and then bringing it down into the basement. Next, I'll be drilling through the foundation a 2-inch hole for the fill pipe and also a 2-inch hole for the vent pipe. It's a Roth double-walled tank. It's a blown plastic inside tank, the galvanized steel outside. This is the cradle that the Roth tank sits on. Then it gets placed down. And the Roth tank sits on top of it. We're placing the Roth tank right now onto its cradle so we can get our measurements for the pipe work. I'm unloading the threading machine so that I can cut and thread our fill pipe along with our vent pipe. Right now, I'm cutting the necessary pipes to length and threading each end for both the fill and the vent. This is Seth putting together our emergency shutoff valves that will connect our drops that go all the way to the bottom of the 275 tank to the oil line that is connected to the burner. So this is 1/2-inch copper tubing that goes to the bottom of the Roth oil tank. Seth is flaring it right now to connect the emergency shutoff valves. And what we do with these drops is we pull them about 1 inch off the bottom of the tank, so it's never sitting in the residual sludge that builds up over time.
Right now I just connected the 3/8 lines to the shutoff valves that are now going to run over to the burner.
This tank that we just abandoned was hooked up to a 1-pipe system, which went into a tiger loop and switched back over to a 2-pipe system. So what we're going to be doing is we already ran the two-line system right here, and we're going to run the 2 lines right into the burner. Right now I'm putting together a swing joint for the vent using the piping that I threaded earlier and connecting it to the pipework on the exterior of the foundation. After completing the vent, I am now going to be tightening the upright pipe into the tank and finally connecting it to the exterior fill pipe. Just finishing up the vent and the fill on the outside. And the piping's done. After we finish with all the piping work, we pump over all the good existing oil from the old tank into the new tank. Finally, we have the finished product, a fully installed Roth basement oil tank. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website at www.mayoiltank.com or give us a call for a free estimate on installs, removals, or abandonments.